Hi guys, welcome back to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add or remove a Bluetooth device, as well as how to send or receive a Bluetooth file or file via Bluetooth. So you're going to see at the bottom of your screen near your action center, you're going to have a drop down box which you're going to click on. And in there you will find your Bluetooth icon. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. So you're going to open your drop down box, click on your Bluetooth icon. You're going to say add a Bluetooth device. Now I've already paired my Bluetooth device before, but I'm going to remove it to show you for this video. So you're going to click on the three dots on the end, click on remove device, ensure that you're removing the relevant device. Then you're going to click on add new Bluetooth device. This window will open up, guys, which will show you which Bluetooth devices are discoverable. Now, should your Android or your computer Bluetooth be discoverable, you'll find it there. You click on that, ensure there's a tick at the bottom, use authentication, click on next. Then you go to browse, look for the file that you want to send. You click on that. So this process pairs as well as sends the file that you want to, guys. You click on next. Now you would see your device pop up at the bottom. This is pairing initiation. You're going to click on it and you click on pair. You would have also found this code and message on your Android device. You click on pair to pair both devices. And now it has been successfully paired. As you see, it is listed below where it says other devices. And now you can send and receive files with ease, with both of your devices being paired. Now we're going to click on receive a file, guys. So I'm going to send a file from my Android device to also demonstrate for this video. You go to send from your Android device and you select the computer that you're sending it to, or the Android device, whatever it may be, Windows or Android. You click on send from that device. And there you see it sent. If you want to save it in a different location, you can click on browse, or you can just click on next or finish.